Okay, now that's the second why the tropical geometry, the zero loci is reasonable. Uh, the most important part when you think about polynomial, a univariable polynomial, and when you compare to traditional zero loci of algebraic geometry, the coefficient should be algebraically closed field. Okay, that is without this condition, the zero set, zero loci does not hold in algebraic geometry. So we can ascertain the following key is an algebraically closed. So to verify this idea, let's think about a general univariable polynomial. Tropical if we generalized the polynomial, that should be described understand because if we express this idea, that is maximum like this. Why this is a general univariable polynomial? Let's think about, for example, easy example. As I say, the tropical quadratic function. Okay. If we add another term, okay. Adding another term. That would be like this. Then we should write this 1x, 2 plus 2x, 2 plus 3x, and so on. Okay? So, when generally, the maximum term like this. Okay? We can generalize in case of a univariable polynomial, we can generalize like this. Like this. Then we can between a line and the line that we can see a cuspus, which is fancily speaking maximum is attained at least twice. Okay, that is easy to find the intersection point between two lines. So if alpha lives in zero set, which means zero set is here as I defined this guys, maximum is attained twice, then that is a intersection between two lines, so that would be here and alpha. Okay. Just the intersection between two lines, piecewise function, line segment. Okay. And if we compute the equation, solve the equation that banish this, we can obtain like this. Because each coefficient lives in T, and that is a general minus. Okay, in the tropical world, the inverse does not exist, but it's a general minus, as you know. So that lives in T. Okay, so in this relation, we can think, estimate, guess that that is closed under the tropical zero set. System. So no, zero set alpha T, okay, is closed under the tropical system, and I will not explain detail. There, based on this idea, we can think about so-called FTA, fundamental theorem of algebra. That is tropical version. In fact, due to this theorem, we can deduce the tropical number is algebraic closed field. So I will describe what is the tropical version of FTA. At fx be a univariable tropical polynomial, then that is similar to FTA, as you know. The tropical polynomial can be factorized the product of linear vectors, any univariable polynomial is given, f can be factorized like this. In that case, what is Dn? Dn is as I was explained, this here. So whenever every tropical univariable polynomial is given, that is factorized like this. So means that the factor does not live outside in Tn, a tropical number system T. So okay, the following theorem so based on I explained, we can obtain the following theorem. Factor okay, what is the necessary and sufficient condition for that is a factor of fx? That attains its maximum on at least two monomia. Okay. So anyway, we can obtain T is algebraically closed field. So we can define why the following definition is reasonable as a tropical zero-Rokai.